What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully you guys are fantastic. Today we're going to be doing a little modification to the Duramax, nothing crazy, but I want a little bit more light up here. And I know I need to replace my headlights, they're super bad, but I'm going to be putting some LED pods into the grill. They're just small, like 3-inch I think pods. Here, I'll show you them real quick. They are AUXBEAM and they were sent to me with a wiring harness. So here is the cube, just white, nothing crazy. These are like the ones I have on the bumper of the lifted truck, except these are just one solid color. We have the full wiring harness, which comes with connectors, the relay, the fuse, and the switch, so that way everything will work. It's just plug and play kinda. We gotta do a little bit of modification to it, but hopefully we're just gonna try and get these mounted up in the grill, and that should not be that big of an issue. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but we'll figure it out. We're gonna get them mounted, that way I can have a little bit more running light, and we'll wire it right into one of the fuses, one of the ignition fuses. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we will get this grill taken apart and start figuring out where we're gonna mount everything. Alrighty guys, so we got them mounted up, and now all we have to do is wire and tighten the bolts. But basically I self-tapered right into this little A-frame, cross member, whatever you want to call it, that holds all this junk. But as far as that goes, should be, I still gotta tighten them down so they're a little crooked, but should be fairly simple to just get them set right and all that good stuff. The wiring's pretty easy. We'll go over that in just a second. Alrighty guys, so for clean installation of the relay, we have it mounted under this bracket arm that goes over the battery, the ground right underneath it. Have the power wire ran to the fog light fuse, or fog light fuse. We have it ran through the firewall. I haven't mounted the switch yet or wired up the lights, but we have the light switch wired up. You can see the green light's on. It is activating, so it is working. We just need to finish up wiring the lights up and we should be good to go. It's not taking too long. The wiring always sucks, but anyways, I'm gonna wire these up real quick and hopefully should be it. So that didn't take too long. I blew the fuse already. I was stripping the wires and I dropped them and they touched the bumper, and then yeah, they blew the fuse. So I gotta find another fuse and finish wiring these up real quick, and hopefully we'll be able to test them tonight. I don't know if we're gonna get to it or not though. Alrighty guys, I could not find a fuse, but I got everything wired up, and for instructional purposes only, I took the fuse out of my lift pump to give it a whirl. Pretty good here. Let me throw the grill back on, turn the fog lights on, and then we'll see how it looks. I'm not sure how well that's gonna pick everything up, but we have the LED headlights, LED running lights or fog lights, and the two cubes in the center now. I kind of dig it. I think it looks pretty sweet. So they fit perfectly behind the grill, like in an open area pretty much right there. And they're not a huge bar that takes up like a whole lot of space. So this thing is definitely pretty bright coming down the road. So these are AUXBEAM, I think 7-inch. These are AUXBEAM 4-inch, I believe. And then I have AUXBEAM low, they're like the low pro file headlights, and I love them. They've been pretty good. I mean, everything's bright, everything's good. So definitely pretty ecstatic with this. So it's still kind of light out, so it's probably hard to tell with the camera adjusting and everything. Well, all we have left to do is mount the switch somewhere, which I'll probably go right in the similar area underneath here, underneath the dash or something like I did on the other truck. And that'll be a wrap, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this, drop a thumbs up on the video. If you're new here, please subscribe, guys. We got these lights all set up and everything working good, so I'm pretty stoked about it. Just the little things, you know, just kind of cleaning everything up and making everything look good. So It's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.